In this video, I will show you how to create a configuration file that we will use throughout these tutorials. We will use the provided example to be used as the base. Go to config examples folder, then open config binance.binance.json file. Go to file, then choose save as menu. Save the new file at user data folder with config_test.json file. Then we will need to do few changes on the file. First, change the stake _amount to 15. Second, under the exchange section, change the name to KuCoin. Why do I change it to KuCoin? Binance is banning some countries from accessing their server. Since this tutorial is meant for users anywhere on the earth, changing it to KuCoin Exchange will be the better option. After that, just save the file. Now we have a config file ready to be used. To test the new config, we can use test paralist command to see if there is any error or it runs successfully. If it returns the paralist, it means it connected to KuCoin server successfully. On the next video, we will learn about how to download historical data.